Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 23rd, 2024, and we have a lot of exciting updates from the world of Apple technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Apple has announced a major restructuring of its App Store team, splitting it into two divisions as Matt Fisher, the longtime App Store chief, prepares to leave. This change is a response to the EU's Digital Markets Act, which aims to reduce App Store monopolies. Carson Oliver and Ann Tai will lead the new divisions, while Phil Schiller will oversee both. This move is part of Apple's broader strategy to adapt to regulatory pressures, though some developers feel it doesn't go far enough. Developers have expressed frustration with Apple's HealthKit API, citing it as poorly designed and difficult to use. One developer compared it unfavorably to YouTube Player Kit, highlighting issues like the need to create a custom workout manager and unclear documentation. The developer urges Apple to improve the API for a more streamlined experience. Apple is making changes to its browser options and app management in the EU, complying with the Digital Markets Act. Users will see a choice screen for selecting default browsers and can change default apps for various functions. These updates aim to enhance user experience and meet regulatory expectations. Epic Games has launched its App Store for iOS in the EU, challenging Apple's App Store. While offering better terms, developers still face Apple's fees, making it hard for smaller developers to thrive. Epic Store highlights the ongoing struggle in the app distribution ecosystem. Apple has adopted several recommendations from Open Web Advocacy to comply with the EU's Digital Markets Act regarding browser defaults. These changes aim to create a fairer environment for smaller browser vendors, though some recommendations remain unimplemented. Apple's upcoming iOS 18.1 will introduce notification summaries, using AI to enhance how users manage notifications. This feature will provide concise overviews of messages and emails, improving productivity by reducing the time spent on notifications. Apple Card recently celebrated its 5th anniversary, remaining exclusive to the US, despite initial expansion plans. The partnership with Goldman Sachs ends in 2025, prompting Apple to seek a new provider. The card is praised for its integration with the Wallet app. Samsung's Galaxy Watch Ultra has faced criticism for durability issues, contrasting with Apple's customer service approach. A user reported the action button fell off, and Samsung's response has sparked discussions on social media about their customer service practices. At WWDC 2024, Apple introduced a new approach to using lightweight on-device large language models, inspiring TensorSense to develop multimodal adapters for their Polygemma model. This technology is applied to a trash sorting scenario, showcasing its practical applications. Pencilera is a new iPad app that transforms the Apple Pencil into a camera remote, enhancing photography experiences. It's available on the App Store and has gained attention on GitHub, offering a creative solution for remote photography. Apple has introduced a browser choice screen for iOS 17.4 and later in the EU, allowing users to select their default browser. This feature complies with the Digital Markets Act and aims to enhance user choice and access to browser performance data. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful and engaging. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more Apple news and insights. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.